Dear students, welcome to you from Janata High School online class. Let's discuss about narration. If the direct narration is imperative sentence, you will use order, request, advise, command, forbid, tell as a repeating verb. This repeating verb will use the meaning of the repeated speech. Replacing comma, you can use to. Replacing comma, you can use to. As for example, don't waste your time. This is repeated speech. Look at the example. This is repeating speech, and this speech express advice. He advised me not to waste my time. Here the repeating verb advised, because this repeated speech express the meaning advice. Another example, Ripon said to Arif, please help me. Look at the example. Here, this is repeated speech. This speech express request. So, we can use request as a repeating verb. Ripon requested Arif to help him. To help him. Dear students, now another example. The captain said to the soldiers, fire on, fire on. This repeated speech express command for the soldiers. Now you can use commanded as a repeating verb. The captain commanded the soldiers to fire on. Another example, Rina said to Bina, do not make a noise. This is repeated speech. This repeated speech meaning forbid. You can use forbid as a repeating verb. Rina forbade Bina to make a noise. Dear students, we have already reached the last moment of this class. Now write your home tasks. Home tasks বা homework. He said to me, come and see. Rina said to Bina, please give me some flowers. This home task write down on your khata. Dear students, you know that the coronavirus has already broken out in an epidemic form in our country. Not only Bangladesh but also all over the country has broken out. In this situation, you follow some advice. Stay at home, wash your hand at least 20 seconds frequently, eat balanced food, follow the government instructions. When you will go out, you use masks. Thank you.